Hello everyone, this is Umar. Today was an excellent day. Nifty broke its 3-day losses in a single trading session and closed above the 14,900 due to the support from banks, metal and auto stocks and a minor drop in coronavirus infection. Nifty opened higher at 14,756 and extended the gains and hit an intraday high of 14,938 and closed at 14,923, up by around 250 points. And if you follow candlestick pattern, Nifty has formed a bullish candle on a daily chart as the closing was higher than the opening level. Now Nifty has to close above 15,000 for a strong uptrend to continue. But if you see the Nifty for the last 3 weeks, the trend is sideways. Every time this zone has come, Nifty has reversed, and that's what the price action tells us. If you see the Nifty chart closely, there was a reversal on 8th of April and there was a reversal on 29th of April, and today it has again approached the same area. Let's see tomorrow what's going to happen. Now for us to move forward, Nifty should move and sustain above the 15,000 range, and that we will come to know tomorrow, right? And if you see India VIX fell around 3.27% from 20.26 to 19.60, the lowest in 2021, and that is a positive sign for the market. And if India VIX sustains below the same, it could be a good support to the bulls. And if you see the option, maximum put open interest was seen at 14,000, followed by 13,500 strike, while maximum call open interest was seen at 15,000, followed by 14,800 strike. Call rating was seen at 15,300 and 15,400 strike, with unwinding at 15,000. Now you have to note this down. People are squaring off 15,000 calls and selling 15,300 and 15,400, which is an all-time high. And put rating was seen at 14,800, then 14,700 strike. And this data suggests that the trading range is from 14,600 to 15,200 levels. The markets have moved past a resistance of around 14,850, and this should keep the Nifty bullish, and a strong support lies at 14,700, and the index would turn bearish if it breaks the 14,800 level on closing basis. If Nifty can keep above 14,850, we can claim higher levels of 15,000 and then 15,200. If we break below 14,700, the market could fall further to maybe 14,400 or 14,500 levels. And tomorrow we have to closely watch the Nifty if there is any sign of bear. And I am telling you, bears are going to hit it hard this time, and we may see a good fall. And as I talk, the US futures are trading in the red. We have to wait and see what's going to happen in the US market. And if we get a support from the US market, Nifty may touch all-time highs. And if you see the FII data, foreign institutional investors are net sellers who have sold more than 2,255 crores. And DAIs have bought for around 1,948 crores. And I have been telling, without the support of FIIs, markets are not going anywhere. So markets are going to be very interesting tomorrow. We might see India VIX going up tomorrow, and let's see how things pan out. I feel 15k is a strong resistance. There is nothing to cheer. Things are not as good as what we think. So let's see what the market, how the market pans out tomorrow. Yeah. So that's it for the market. So let's see the trade. So if you are following this channel, or if you are following us in Telegram, we post trades every week. So last week we did the iron condor, and this week we did the iron fly. What we did is, I'm just going to brief it shortly. We did a 14,000, we sold 14,750 call and put on 20th May expiry, and we bought 15,100 call and 14,400 put to protect it in case of any big gap down or big gap up. So what has happened here is after we executed the trade, market rallied. Market actually didn't rally for the last 2 or 3 trading session. It was on sideways, so it was in good profit of around maybe 5 or 6,000. But what happened today is market rallied, right? Yeah, last Friday what we did is we thought market may not move up and we sold 15,000 calls. And today interestingly market gapped up and it started to rally, so we squared off the 15,000 call which was in a loss of around 800, and we sold additional puts of 14,500. See, we this iron fly is constructed with 2 lots each. 14,750 call and 14,750 put is 2 lots. Yeah, and 15,100 call and 14,400 put is also 2 lot. But what we have done today is we made a loss in for 15,000 call. As I told you, we anticipated market may not reach 15,000. 15,000 is a good resistance. So we sold 15,000 call last Friday, but market rallied today. But in spite of rallying, in spite of gapping up, that 15,000 call did not give us a big loss. It was in a loss of around just 800 rupees. So we squared off that position and we sold additional 3 lots. This set is full of 2 lots. Yeah, we sold 3 lots. We sold 3 lots of 14,500. Yeah, 14,500 today morning. We squared off that call with a loss and we sold 14,500 put today morning. And once we did it, today we did it and market started rallying, and you know what happened today. Market rallied around 250 points. Had I not done this trade would have been in a loss of more than maybe 7 to 10,000. The call which I sold, 15,000 call which I sold, would have been in loss, and the original iron fly would also be in loss. So in order to avoid the losses, we did two things. We squared off the call 15,000 call, we booked loss of 800, and we sold additional 14,500 put 3 lots, that is 225, and the trade is in a profit of around 4,000 5,000 I think. Yeah, you can pause it and do the maths. Yeah, that's so that is the trade today. If market reverses tomorrow, maybe market gaps up also, I think we will not be having any problem. When we will face the problem is if the market moves above 15,000, we are going to have a problem, we are going to face a problem. So that is the break even point. So let's see how things open tomorrow. Hopefully 15,000 crosses tomorrow, we are going to exit the trade with a minimum profit. We have avoided big loss, and you have to maybe you will understand if you see this trade setup, and I have also explained to you. So that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Enjoy trading, happy trading, and see you tomorrow. Thank you. Bye.